Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the game is fully updated and you are signed in. This avoids desyncs. Next, pick a location that supports active time cycling. Many lakes have dynamic day/night. Once chosen, open your inventory and equip quick save gear that won't force long animation delays. Save your session in the game menu, then head to the shoreline and cast once to register your position. This anchors the session for the next steps and prevents spawning glitches. You now perform the time shift. Open the in-game menu and look for session or time controls. If a slider exists, move it toward the target hour slowly to avoid server rejection. If no slider is present, use a controlled logout reset. Save, quit to lobby, wait 20-30 seconds, then re-enter the same session. Many servers advance environmental time on reload. Make sure to monitor the HUD for weather and hour markers. Repeat logout or slider adjustments until you see the exact. To finalize, cast and catch a quick fish so the session writes the new environmental state to your profile. This locks in the time. If the time snaps back, first clear the game cache and repeat the logout reset sequence, but extend the wait to 60 seconds to allow server sync. If that still fails, switch to a nearby spot and try the same steps. Persistent rollback means server authority is preventing change, so document the issue and contact support with timestamps and steps taken.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.